Hi friends, I just wanted to share my little travel kit that I made about a week or two ago. I've got a few of these now. I've got one in a backpack and a very tiny one with just a watercolor pad and a mini thing of watercolors. But then I've got this one that's in between both of those two. And it's just in a little plastic container that you would get at the dollar store. And then I open it up and I've stuck some washi tape in here. Just some like little scrap pieces. This is my art journal that I also got at the dollar store, believe it or not. The paper isn't the best quality, but you can take the pages and glue them together to make them thicker. But I mean, I use a lot of mixed media and water, and they've held up pretty good. Acrylic. So yeah, I like it. And then it's got a pocket back here inside of the book, and I've got a bunch of like little bits and pieces and of ephemera and stuff. And then I've got some glue to glue stuff down in there. Here, I guess I'll show you an example too. Like this page, I glued down these pretty flowers and these music sheets that I ripped up. And then, let's see, I know I've got another one. Right there. This whole page is ephemera and stuff. I've got a little piece of a map here, some washi tape, stamp, ticket thing. But anyway, so there's that. And then I just have a towel so that when I'm using my water-soluble crayons, that what I do is I just like, you know, scribble something, and then I take my water-soluble marker and then I just wet it like that, and it spreads it like that. And then to wipe it off, you just go like this, and then you squeeze out a little more water and just do that until it wipes off clean. It's so awesome. I love it. Okay, set that aside, dry that off a bit. So in this one, I've just got some little watercolors that I put together in this mint tin. And I love it. Works great. And then all of these are my new... throwing stuff. These are my new favorites, and they are called Stabilo Woodies, and they are 3-in-1, and I absolutely love them. That is what I did with this, and I love it. It's not finished yet. This is just the background. And then very much like that is these Neo Pastels that are water soluble crayons, and I absolutely love those too. And then I've got a micro pen in here, just a mechanical pencil. This is called a Stabilo All, which is also water soluble, and I absolutely love this too. And then I've got a pastel chalk that I absolutely love. And then I have, I think, only one oil pastel just for some mark making at the end, and I love these too. And believe it or not, these, I mean, my favorite ones are these Sennelier. They're so soft and so creamy. I love, love, love marking with those. But these Pentel ones are very affordable, and I absolutely love them for the price. I mean, they're so cheap, but they're so much fun. So there's that. And I've been adding a few more things to this lately. So, oh, I forgot about this too. This is a little squirt bottle. Squirt a water mister, so I can just like scribble on here with the crayons, and then I can just spray this on there, and it just has a mind of its own. So that's pretty cool. But let me put all of this back in here and see if we can fit it back in. I've also got a little clip in here if I want to clip my pages down, but they actually lay decently flat. Not too worried about it. Close that back up. Back there. This here that dot there. This here. And there we go. I hope you enjoyed.